Open the hatch to gain access to the bulb assembly.
Pull the cover to remove it. Remove the fasteners by twisting them.
We recommend changing your bulbs in pairs. If one bulb is burnt out, its counterpart bulb is likely near the end of its life as well. Bulbs get dimmer by 20% over time, which is another great reason to change both bulbs at once.
Pry the housing away from the vehicle first, then pull it out. Press the tab and pull the connector to remove it. Now you can replace your housing with a new one. Push the connector straight in to connect the new bulb.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place.
You want to give it a little push kind of over there to kind of click it in before you put the wing nuts in.
Replace the fasteners by twisting them. Replace the cover.
Make sure the bulb housing is secure.